So a question I get asked a lot is, when should I show up for court? People get a summons to appear at court. It will tell them to be there at 8:30 if it's a criminal proceeding, and there's times when the court doesn't open up till nearly 10 o'clock. So obviously this irritates people. They ask me when they should show up, and there's no answer to really give them, because there's no rhyme or reason to when the judge is going to decide to take the bench and start the proceedings. The safest thing you can do is show up when the court tells you to be there. Now, that doesn't mean that the court is going to open its doors at 8:30 or 9 o'clock or 9:30. Unfortunately, you just have to be there, and you just have to sit around and wait. Now, when proceedings start, it's up to the judge or it's up to the clerk how they're going to handle the hearings. I go to one court where the clerk calls everything in alphabetical order. There's another court that I go to that lumps the cases together with the attorney. So if the lawyer's there and he has 4 cases, the clerk will call those 4 cases and then go on to the next lawyer and call his cases and so forth. But the overriding thing here is that there's no specific order, and each court handles matters in its own way, on its own timeline. So you just need to be ready for that, and be cautious and be there early, and just be prepared to wait. And that's just how government operates.